Today I'm tuning this TJ. It's a LS swap 4L60E trans. It is a Gen 3 5.3 with a Texas Speed Stage 3 camshaft in it. It's pretty good running. It's a nice Jeep. We see a few of these in here. I don't know a ton about Jeeps themselves, but they're a bunch of different power plants and all kinds of different, obviously, suspension configurations. One thing the majority of them have in common is the interiors are always super nice on these. Like, there's a lot of aftermarket seat options. I like this one. This has got an aftermarket gauge cluster in it. Stock ECU deal. It's got this bolt-in cage. That's really nice. It's a nice piece. It's a 456 gear with a 37-inch tire. I don't expect it to dyno real well due to just the gear and the huge tire combination. The big wheel and tire is really going to kill what we're going to make for power on the thing, but it's a nice piece. It'll be interesting to see how it performs, and then we'll go from there. I'm guessing it's going to make low to mid 200s with this tire on there. That's pretty common. Alright, just got finished with the Jeep. See, the power curve was still climbing. Again, as said before, because of the big wheel and tire on this thing, I knew it wasn't going to make a ton of power. It made 218 at 5,900. Power is still going up relatively okay. You can see the torque curve start to fall, which means the power is going to plateau pretty close to where we're at generally. Ended up with 26 degrees, moved it to 28, moved it to 24. 28 didn't gain us, and 24 lost a couple. So 26 is definitely where it wants, which is pretty common for these LS combinations. It did make, it actually ran out of injector. We're 101% injector duty with 58 pounds of base pressure. So if you use that to calculate the power, I haven't done that yet, but it's definitely a lot better than the 219 it puts to the ground with this wheel and tire combination on it. It'll be a good toy. This thing just sees mostly Silver Lake stuff, I believe, currently, which is our local sand play area. So, yeah, that's it. Pretty happy with it.